Good morning, kids. This is your English course book of class 4. Okay, so today we are going to start with lesson 1, and the name of the lesson is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Bache, you might have heard about the story of Aladdin and the Jinn. Okay, this chapter is similar of that story. Okay, let's start. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Aladdin. He lived with his mother. So what happened? Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Aladdin. This is Aladdin, and he lived with his mother. Okay. One day, a rich stranger came to their house. Stranger means bache outsider, an unknown person. Okay. What happened? One day, what happened? A rich stranger came to Aladdin's house. Okay. So now what that rich stranger said? He said, I'm a merchant from Arabia. Merchant means a person who buys and sell things for profit. Okay. And where did he came from? He came from Arabia. I want to take your son with me for some work. Now this merchant said to Aladdin's mother that he said that I want to take your son, that is Aladdin, with me for some work. I will pay him so much that you will not be poor anymore. He said that I will pay your son so much that you will not be poor anymore. The next day, Aladdin packed his things and left with the merchant. Next day, what happened? Aladdin, he packed his things. You can see the luggage over here. He packed his things and he left with the merchant for work. After a few hours, they stopped. After a few hours, what? They stopped. Now the merchant said that wear this ring. To whom he said? He said to the Aladdin that wear this ring. The merchant, who was a magician, made a cave appear. This merchant was a magician also. What did he do? He made a cave appear. Cave means bache a hole. In this picture you can see this is a cave, a hole. Now he said, Aladdin, go inside, take as much as gold you want. You will also see an old lamp. Get that for me. What happened next? He said to Aladdin that you have to go inside this cave and you can take as much as gold you want, but you will see an old cat. You have to get that for me. Who said these words? Merchant said these words to the Aladdin. Aladdin filled his pockets with as much as gold as he could. In this picture, bache, you can see that he filled his pocket with this gold. This picture. Okay, these are all gold. So what did he do? He filled his pockets with the gold as much as he could. Okay, then Aladdin found the lamp. Over here you can see this is a picture of lamp. Then the Aladdin found this lamp. So what's next? Give me the lamp first. He said, please help me out. Then what did he say? No, I won't. Why did he say that I won't help you out? Because Aladdin didn't give the lamp to him which he wants. The magician blocked the entrance of the cave. Over here you can see with the help of magic. Firstly, what did he do? He made a cave appear with his magic, and again he blocked the entrance of cave with the help of magic. Next, many hours passed. Aladdin was still in the cave, bache. And many hours passed. Aladdin held the lamp and moved his hand on it. Many hours passed, and what did Aladdin do? He moved his hand on the lamp and he started rubbing that lamp. Okay. Suddenly, a strange fog filled up the cave. Suddenly means happening quickly or in a sudden manner. What happened? A strange fog filled up the cave. This is fog. It filled up the cave. So what did he do? I'm the genie of this lamp. What is your wish? When he rubbed the lamp, now what came out? A genie came out from the lamp and he said to his master, okay, what is your wish? He said, take me home. The next instant means moment. The next moment, Aladdin was home. Now, build me a beautiful palace. Now the Aladdin asked from genie that build me a beautiful palace. Aladdin married the Sultan's daughter. Sultan is the name of a person. Okay. Now what happened? Aladdin married the Sultan's daughter. This is Sultan's daughter. And they lived happily for a while. A while means bache, a period of time, and they lived happily for a period of time. But then a wicked magician came to Aladdin's palace. Now what happened? Evil, wicked means evil. Magician came to Aladdin's place, new in exchange for old. Then this wicked magician, what did he do? He made a trick on Aladdin's wife. Okay, and at that time Aladdin was not at home. Okay, in that palace Aladdin was not at home, so he made a plan. Now he said that new in exchange for old. Then what happened? Aladdin's wife came out. Please give me a new lamp for this. Okay. So what she do? Because she didn't know there is a magic. There's a genie in that lamp. So what she do? She gave the old that lamp to the wicked magician, and the wicked magician got given her the new lamp. Okay.